Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply turn on or off location in your Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, what you need to do is to press Windows plus A, and you're going to have your action button center is going to display just like what you see right there. The next thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here under location. So by default, you might have your location on. So when you get here, you can simply turn it off. It's as simple as that. If you want to turn it on back, simply click on here and your location is on, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply turn on or off your location on your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.